Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Henny, and now I want to make a video of steps to find out the answer of my quiz question using SPSS. But before we find the answer, we need to know first what we count. So here the question. We count off the data research title is using songs to improve speaking skill of the sixth semester student of Indo Global Mandiri University um and we will using SPSS for finding the data. The data are the scores I got from the student samples from this one, appendix 1. And next we move to the question number 1 or A. The question is A, determining the distribution of data, for example, frequency, percentage, average, SD, etc. For the score, if it less than 6, so it means very poor. But when it comes to 6 and until 10, it means just poor. And 11 until 15 means average, 16 until 20 means good, and the highest or the best score means 21 or until 25 means excellent. For the question number 2 or B, is finding the mean score between pre and post test of both experimental and control group by using paired sample t-test. And the C is, or the last question is, find the mean score within the experimental and control group using independent sample t-test. And after we already got the data or the result, we will giving the interpretation from the result of each test. And now we jump to the tutorial. First thing first, we click variable view. We type pre-test zone number 1. Post test on number 2. Make sure the decimal is 0. And then after that, we click data view. We click the data view. We copy the data from pre-test and post-test on here of experimental group. And then here, paste on here until 20. Okay. After that, we click analyze, descriptive statistic, and then frequency. Wait. We make variable into pre-test and post-test. We move it on here, and then we click statistic. We make a checklist on central tendency and dispersion, except the SE mean, because it's already checklist, so we just continue. And after that, if you want to use in chart, you make you can make chart like bar, pie, or histogram on here, because we just focus on the data, so we don't need to put chart on the result. So just click continue, and then after that, click OK. And here's the data. This is the statistic, the mean of pre-test and post-test of experimental group. This is the standard deviation of control group. And this one is score of pre-test. This is also range of pre-test, like less than 6 is poor, and so on. And after that, because we already got the result from a number A, we just move to the number B. Make it clear first. Clear. so that we find out this one. Actually, the step is same. We click variable view and then we click pretest on here. Posters on here. Double T. What's wrong? The decimal is 0. When we click after that, we click data view. We copy paste on here. Same as before. Then we click analyze and then compare means. Here sample data result. Wait, oh my god. Sorry. Analyze, compare means, peer sample pretest, reset first. We move pretest into variable 1 and post-test into variable 2. Click option, make sure the percentage is 95%. So because it's already 95%, so we don't need to make it. Just continue, and then after that we click OK. Okay, and this is the result. So this is the score of peer sample statistic. So the mean of pretest is 11 and the score of post-test is 17.10. And the result is show us the average score, the score of pretest and post-test, where post-test is higher than pretest. As we can see, the post-test is 17.10 and pre is only 11. So it means experimental group is be able to improve of speaking skill of the 6th semester student of Indo Global Mandiri University. And the correlation of of sample t-test or of paired sample, I can see here is higher than 0.05. It means the result has the correlation. Same like this. This is higher than 0.05. And next is paired sample test. This one paired sample test. We only focus to this part because the question of we just want to know the mean score of sample t-test, and the score of sample t-test is only this one, minus 6.100. And because we already got the result of experimental group, and then we have to find out the control group. Actually, the step is same. The step is same as before. We click analyze and blah blah blah, but we need to change the data from experimental group become control group. This one we copy paste on pretest. Okay, and after that we find out the answer of C. We make it clear first. Okay, and then we click variable view. This one is we type score, and then number 2 is we type group. The decimal is 0. For the label is make it group. For the value, make it for the value of number 2, we just using number 2 value, we type 1 here, and for the label is the group 1. Click add and also continue. Number 2, so group 2. Click add and also okay. After that, after like this, we click data view. And here, number 1 until 20, we copy on this one, pretest only. And for post-test, we put on number 21 until 40. I mean, this one for post-test. And paste on here. For group, we just make it number one until 20. We make it just all of them one. For number 21 until 40, we make it 2. Okay, after already like this, we move to the analyze. We click analyze and then we click compare means. We click independent sample t-test. We move score into test variable and group into grouping variable. Click define group, type 1 on group 1 and also type 2 on group 2 because it's already typed. So we just click continue and then click option. Make sure the percentage is 95% because it's already, so just continue and we click OK. And this is the result. You can see here that there is a group statistic in group statistic by using independent t-test. We see the mean, the group 1, the mean is 11. The group 2 means the mean 70.10. So it means the group 2 is higher than group 1. So it can tell that the data by using experimental group is be able to improve the speaking skill of 6 students of Indo Global Mandiri University. And now let's see this independent sample test. Because the question of C, we only focus on the means. So here is the mean score of equal variance. The mean score of pre and post test of experimental group by using independent sample t-test is only minus 6.100. Not only, actually, minus 6.100. Okay, so we have done for experimental group and we not yet start the control group. Okay, done for experimental group. For the control group, actually it's same, literally same, but the different things is we make the score into the pretest and post-test data from control group, which is this one, pretest and post-test. When before we using experimental group and now we using control group. We make it on here. The group is same like this and the step is same as we did before. We click analyze, we click compare means, independent sample details, and the result is there. Okay, so I think I already answered those 3 questions. So that's all I think from the step to find those 3 questions. I do really sorry if there are a lot of mistakes I did on here. Hope this video can be read as simple as possible. Thank you so much for watching. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a great day. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.